Motion for the establishment of the special committee to investigate the proposed removal from office by impeachment of the Honorable Abdi Ibrahim Hassan, the Governor of Isiolo County. That whereas, pursuant to standing to Article 181 of the Constitution and Section 33 of the County Governments Act, on Thursday, 26 June 2025, the County Assembly of Isiolo approved a motion for the removal from office by impeachment of the Honorable Abdi Ibrahim Hassan, the Governor of Isiolo County, and further, whereas by letter referenced CA/RES/Volume 1/001, dated 26th June 2025 and received in the office of the Speaker of the Senate on the 27th of June 2025, the Speaker of the County Assembly of Isiolo informed the Speaker of the Senate of the approval of the motion by the County Assembly by further and forwarded to the Speaker of the Senate documents in evidence of the proceedings of the Assembly, and whereas pursuant to Section 33(3)(b) of the County Governments Act and Standing Order number 81(b) Roman 1 of the Senate, the Senate by resolution may appoint a special committee comprising 11 of its members to investigate the matter. Now therefore, pursuant to Section 33(3)(b) of the County Governments Act and Standing Order 81(b) Roman 1, the Senate resolves to proceed on this matter by way of establishment of a special committee to investigate the proposed removal from office by impeachment of the Honorable Abdi Ibrahim Hassan, the Governor of Isiolo County. Mr. Speaker, sir, in your communication, you have told us that this is the 5th time we are speaking and processing this kind of a motion, Mr. Speaker. In a way, it therefore almost looks like a procedural motion, and therefore I don't want to take too much time of the House. Members, you are either choosing that we form a committee or we go to plenary. I want to appeal to you to weigh on this very important issue, because the country has a lot of confidence in us. They should see that we have given the Governor of Isiolo the best opportunity to be heard as this decision is made. I therefore leave it in your hands and invite my colleague and friend of many years, Justice Matayo, the Senator of Kilifi, Madayo, the Senator of Kilifi, to second me. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Asante sana Mstahiki Spika. Mstahiki Spika, hoja hii ya kufurusha mamlakani gavana wa Isiolo ni hoja muhimu sana kwa bunge letu la Seneti na vile vile wananchi wote ndani ya Kenya. Bwana Spika, tazingatia ya kwamba mara nyingi tumeenda njia ya kamati tokea nikiwa hapa katika bunge, lakini hivi juzi katika hali ya kuangalia vile petition zote zinazokuja, ni muhimu ya kwamba bunge lote la Seneti lipewe nafasi ya kukaa na kujadiliana na kuamua ni njia gani ambao wataifuata. Kwa hivyo mimi napinga hoja hii ya kwenda kwa njia ya kamati.
Point of order, Speaker.
Nataka kwa hiyo hoja hii mimi naipinga vikali sana na sikubaliani nayo. Asante Bwana Spika.
Order, honorable senators. Now, honorable senators, as you may have noticed, the Senate Majority Leader moved the motion at order number 9 on today's order paper for the establishment of a special committee to investigate the proposed mover from office by impeachment of Honorable Abdi Ibrahim Hassan, the Governor of Isiolo County. Now, the motion was not seconded, and it is therefore pursuant to Standing Order 70 of the Senate Standing Orders deemed to have been withdrawn. As I communicated earlier, by way of message on the resolution of the Isiolo County Assembly made on Thursday, 26th of June 2025, for the removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Abdi Ibrahim Hassan, the Governor of Isiolo County, Section 33(3)(a) of the County Governments Act, and Standing Order 81B of the Senate, provide that the Senate may, 1, by resolution, appoint a special committee comprising 11 of its members to investigate the matter, or to investigate the matter in plenary. The motion having been negatived, the route of special committee is abandoned, and that implies that the Senate will investigate the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Abdi Ibrahim Hassan, the Governor of Isiolo County, in plenary, pursuant to Section 33(3)(a) of the County Governments Act and Standing Order 81B2. Now, honorable senators, at its meeting held today, Monday the 30th of June 2025, the Senate Business Committee considered the provisional dates for this investigation in the event that the matter was to be investigated